Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Falcon 6X Aerostructures shipment. Dynamatic Technologies, a leading aerospace components manufacturer, has confirmed that the first shipment of flight critical aerostructures for the Dassault Falcon 6X business jet is slated for December 2024. The company entered into a long-term contract with Dassault Aviation earlier this year to manufacture and assemble these crucial components. The Falcon 6X is a cutting-edge business jet renowned for its exceptional range, efficiency, and advanced technology. Next, NOTAM issued for missile test. India has issued a notice to airmen indicating an upcoming missile test scheduled to take place between September 9th and 13th, 2024. The designated area for this test, spanning approximately 75 kilometers, suggests that it could be a trial of a surface-to-air defense system. Next, Tejas Mk2, an update. The Indian-developed Tejas Mk2, a 17.5-ton light fighter jet, could emerge as a compelling option for countries looking for a versatile and cost-effective solution for their air force needs. With global dynamics shifting away from traditional suppliers like Russia and China due to geopolitical concerns and increasing sanctions, the Tejas Mk2 is uniquely positioned to capture a significant share of the international market, provided it is marketed effectively. Next, Project Kusha and S-400, a game changer. The induction of the S-400 Triumph air defense system, coupled with the development of the indigenous Project Kusha, marks a significant leap forward for India's air defense capabilities. These systems, with their impressive long-range interception capabilities of 350 to 400 kilometers, are set to drastically alter the dynamics of aerial warfare in the region. Next, first batch of cyber commandos to get trained. The Indian government has partnered with the Indian Institute of Technologies and the Indian Institute of Information Technology to train its inaugural batch of cyber commandos. The specialized wing is set to be commissioned next month, comprising approximately 350 selected personnel from various state police forces. These cyber experts will be tasked with responding to cyber attacks, preventing and addressing such threats. The selected candidates, including investigation officer and senior police officers, will undergo rigorous training at the IIT and IIITs. Next, historic landing of Airbus Beluga. A sight to behold, the Airbus Beluga, one of the world's largest cargo planes, touched down at Hyderabad's Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in the early hours of Friday. The Airbus A300-608 ST Beluga, with the call sign BCO 4003, arrived in Hyderabad at 12:23 am following its departure from Muscat International Airport. The aircraft journey began on August 27, taking off from Toulouse, France, and making stops in Marseille, France, Cairo, Egypt, and Muscat, Oman. Thank you.